What's up everyone, it's Joshua Oluwari here again, and today I'm going to be showing you a strategy that you can actually use to get your Facebook ads account reinstated back and also get your business page up and running. Okay, so if you have been restricted from running adverts on your Facebook ads account due to Facebook ID card issues or Facebook ID confirmation, then you need to stick through this video to the end, because I'm going to be showing you an ID card strategy that you can actually use to create fake ID cards that get approved by Facebook, so that you get your Facebook ads account reinstated back within 48 hours or your Facebook business page reinstated back within 48 hours. All right, so just so you know that this stuff works, I'm going to refresh this page right here and I'm going to show you everything. I'm going to refresh it. So while it's refreshing, I want you to also know that this strategy that I'm going to be showing you is something that has worked for me and has worked for a few other people I've also been able to show this same strategy and idea with. All right, so first, let's see, here we have this page restriction, and as you can see right here under the status, you can see it's under review, and this was restricted on the 1st, which is due to ID confirmation which has been sent, and you can see it's in review. So in less than 48 hours I should get this Facebook page up and running. All right, so I'm going to go to resolved so that you can see the other Facebook assets that were restricted due to ID confirmation, and each and every one of them has been restated back. All right, so as you can see right here, it's October 15th, and here we have November 1st. Right here we have October 15th, and also we have October 31st. Now these are different Facebook assets. This is a personal ads account, this is a business account, this is the business account, and this is also an ad account under one of the business managers. So you can see all of this got reinstated back after submitting this same ID I'm going to show you today. All right, so before I dive into the full flesh of what we have for today, I want to just show you the type of ID cards that are approved by Facebook for ID confirmation. Right, so we have right here, we have the government IDs, and we also have the non-government IDs. All right, so for the government IDs, you see that you need just one of the government ID for you to be able to confirm your identity with Facebook. All right, and you can see driver's license, passport, national passport, voter's card, and different kind of ID cards, different kind of government ID cards here that have been accepted. Then you can also go to non-government IDs, and if you're going to be using the non-government IDs, it means that you will need at least 2 different non-government IDs for you to be able to get your account confirmed on Facebook. All right, so, and most times most people don't actually use these non-government IDs. What most people use generally is always the government IDs, and most people would have tried using one of these IDs here and they would have gotten their ID confirmation rejected. All right, so but today I'm going to be showing you a government ID that you can actually create and send to Facebook just for the purpose of sending to Facebook. Please, this is basically for the purpose of sending to Facebook. And just to sound a warning in this video, everything I'm going to be showing you in this video is basically for the purpose of getting your Facebook ads account approved and up and running, and also getting your Facebook business page up and running in the case of ID confirmation. All right, this right here is the ID card you are going to be using. This right here is the ID card you are going to be using. So all you just need to do is, if you are not using your own real account, your own real Facebook account, what you can do is get your own national ID slip like this, clean the names, clean the details, clean the information on this part, and also take away the image on this part. All right, so aside this, you can leave every other thing okay. You don't have to touch any other part of it. You can leave the other parts okay. So I'm going to be showing you an ID card I created using this same strategy for that account that worked. So here, this right here is the ID card I was able to use to get that done. All right, So this right here, as you can see, this is the image I've edited and dropped here, and this also is the son name, the details right here. So as you can see, all this is set up in line with what we have on the account of the owner of the Facebook. Make sure the details matches. Make sure whatever son name you are going to write here is the son name that matches on the Facebook account, and the first name also a name that matches on the Facebook account. And if there's a middle name, you also include the middle name, and if the gender, for the gender, also include the gender on the account, so that you can get the full details, so that you can get the correct details for this particular ID confirmation. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can actually get this done. What you just simply do is let's go straight to, you're going to go straight to your folder where you have this blank image, this one, where you have this one. You're going to go directly to that folder. So I'm just going to go to the folder. I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to say it should open up with Paint. All right. So once you click on it to open with Paint, you're going to be able to edit the image. All right. So because I use a different application to erase this information here, that is, I use the eraser, which is this one, to erase the information there. It's looking white, and I don't want it to look white, so I just go ahead. I'm just going to highlight this, copy it, and paste it. Now once I paste it here, I'm going to be able to use it to cover all the fill in the whole white spaces. Yeah, I'm going to fill in the whole white spaces as shown here. Fill in the whole white spaces. Okay, so as you can see, we are all good now. This is better than how it was before. So I'm just going to do the same for the other boxes. Okay, so we're good now. Now at this point now, whatever is the son name we have on the Facebook account, so I'm just going to assume, I'm just going to fill in my details normal. You can always get the details that you're going to input here from your Facebook account. So I'm just going to fill in the details just as my own name, my own personal name. So you're just going to click on this alphabet here, which is text, and just click on it here. It's going to open up a dialog box like this. So my surname is Oduaye. Okay, so just like it is right here, I'm just going to drag it to where I want it to be, somewhere around the middle, so that it looks okay. Now when you're doing this, make sure you're looking at the font size, and you're also looking at the font type. As you can see, this right here is a little bit closer to this font style that was used in the original copy of this ID. Okay, so this is what I'm going to use, and you can see the font type I use here is Arial. If you're able to get a font type that is actually more close to this than Arial, you can actually go for it. But I have used Arial so far, and it has actually worked for me. Okay, so this right here is the son name, so I can just come here and also just input the name Joshua. Okay, so Joshua, I'm just going to input that here and drop it here. And if there was a middle name, I'm going to add the middle name, but right here there's no middle name. And for gender, I'm just going to go with male. Okay, so you can see we have this all set up right now. Boom. So the next thing you can now do is get a picture, a passport size picture, and input it here. All right, so once you're done with it, you're going to get a perfect ID card that you can use to send to Facebook and get your ads account approved, or get your ads account reinstated, and also your business page reinstated. All right, so this should not take you more than 5 minutes to get done. This should not take you more than 5 or maximum 10 minutes to get this done. All right, so once this is done, you send it to Facebook and you get your Facebook business page or your Facebook ads account reinstated back within 48 hours. All right. So I hope you found this video valuable. I hope you're able to learn how to create a fake ID card that you can actually use to get your Facebook ads account back. Okay. And just like I said earlier, this is basically for getting your ads account back, your Facebook business page back, and nothing more. So do not try to use this in any way for any other purpose aside getting your Facebook ads account back or getting your Facebook business page back. All right. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found this video valuable. And until I come your way next time, it's bye bye for now. Peace.